2, 1, action.
Blah! It's time for the 12 Days of Creepmas here at VapeWild, where each day will bring about scary good deals.
Do we really have to do this?
Yeah, it makes things more spooky, you know?
Couldn't we use like a fog machine instead? Because I feel like that would be a better idea.
That would be a better idea.
Look, we couldn't afford it, okay? We spent all our budget on mods and stuff this summer, so this is what we have to work with. So can we please get through this?
Yeah, but I'm getting dizzy.
Come on, man, it's just a few more minutes, a couple more lines, and we'll be done, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Blah! Coupon codes for swag, coils, juice, and so much more. These savings will drive you batty. Get it?
Oh, God.
What is it now?
That line was terrible.
What are you talking about? These are classic Halloween puns. Classic.
Those are dad jokes.
Ah, okay. Tip of the tongue, teeth, and the lips.
So keep an eye on your email, grab that coupon code, and come on down to VapeWild for the 12 Days of Creepmas. You would be ghoulish if you didn't.
Oh, dear God.
Look, you know what?
Cut.